is a very thoughtful way of doing things. And I'm really humbled. And you have come here to honor your mother by way of assisting our girls, so that one day they can be mothers like your late mother and bring up a successful family. I want to say thank you, Sabina, and that is why we have come here in large numbers. And I want to say why we have come in such large numbers. I mobilized these leaders because we also wanted to make a statement to the Jubilee family as a people of UDA. From where I sit, and me, I belong to that school of thought. This Jubilee family, led by the acting party leader, and these leaders who are here, have come to stabilize our administration. And we are grateful. And the president has told me to tell you, Maito, and your team, that he is entirely very grateful for the conscious decision you made after a very highly contested election to come and work with the government. So the presence of the deputy president here, our CS, our governors, and the whole brigade of Kenya Kwanza is a way also to say we appreciate the support of the Jubilee Party in Parliament and outside Parliament. I want to say we have come to support this school and we shall do so. Nimetembea pale na watoto hao wametuonesha pahali wanakulia. Now, actually, it's embarrassing. And therefore, we have come to raise funds. We have come with the money from government. We have come with money from the president, from myself, from these leaders. Tutachanga pesa. Hiyo kazi ianze. And Reverend Father, what I meant when I said we'll come again, we said in the unfortunate event that we don't raise enough funds to complete that building, since tumekuja kuanzisha, tutarudi tena until it is finished. Kama tikwenda tulegioka. Nimukwenda tuleshoka rege. Kogo tutikarekie vyo negeta tuleoka. Tugekerekia vyo twahota gukiuba kana tugithie kuria kungi. So I have seen the design of that hall, and the architects and the people behind that program, they have done a very good job. You require 40 million shillings or so. We'll see what we can do for today, and that work should begin in earnest. We have discussed here with the PS. We saw a lab there, and the girls there asked us that we also help that lab, and I've instructed the PS to come and send experts to configure that lab and send equipment, and that one should go on. We have also agreed we are going to bring 12 computers to assist with the work that is going on. And pia tumepata iko upungufu ya walimu watatu katika shule hii, walimu ambaye wanalipwa na wazazi wa BOM. The government will also take over those 3 teachers so that we lessen the burden from the parents of this school. Again, tuko na majirani hapa, Kinyona Mixed Secondary School. Muko hapa? Pia tumepata muko na matatizo, na mwalimu amesema shule iko chini kidogo ndio wanafunzi hapana kuja. And we have agreed as a government tutapeana shilingi milioni 5 kwa hiyo shule so that we can start building the lab ndio hao watoto wasome. Pia tuko na Kinyona Primary School, pahali huyu Maito alisoma. Pia hiyo shule iko na matatizo, tutapatia nyinyi 2 million shillings ndio tuweze kupanga ile maneno iko hapo. So this Kinyona area today, by us coming, maendeleo imepatikana. Na hiyo ndio maana ya kuchagua serikali. And that is why, Sabina, you made the decision kukaa na sisi. Sasa kama ungekuwa na ile mzee ya kitendawili ungetolea hii watu mali wapi? So huyu Sabina amefanya mzuri. No kaido wako wete. Wajiro ito. Mawaro leta view. Ukono ucio gwe kundu agitutwara. But again, I want to appreciate the pragmatism of this beautiful girl here called Sabina and the Jubilee leaders. Because after the elections were over, they said, it's over. Let's move on. And that is what the president and I did also. Many people in the previous administration took us through hell. The president, myself, huyu Alice Wahome, huyu Ndindi Nyoro, tuliumizwa, tuliangaishwa. But we said Kenya is bigger than all of us. And after the elections, we said we have won. We don't want to look back. We want to move forward, unite the people of Kenya, and initiate development. And that is why we all must move together so that we can be able to create the right impact that is required. There are a few things that have been raised here. Again, I want to say, katika projects ya World Bank katika Kegumo, tuko na darasa 9 ambaye zinaendelea na laboratory ingine 7. Kwa hivyo mambo yenu si mbaya sana, hata kama iko matatizo hapa na pale, we are on the right trajectory and things will be better. Mambo ya Mau Mau roads, Bwana